Question 10. A square brass plate is 2 millimeters thick and has a mass of 1.05 kilograms. The density of brass is 8.4 grams per cubic centimeter. We need the length of the plate in centimeters. Picture the plate. It's a square, so its length and width are the same, both L, and it's very thin, just a couple of millimeters thick. Its volume is length times width times thickness, which is L squared times the thickness. Before we calculate, let's get the units to match. The density is in grams and centimeters, so we convert the mass. 1.05 kilograms is 1,050 grams. And the thickness, 2 millimeters, is 0.2 centimeters. Density is mass divided by volume. So volume is mass divided by density. 1,050 divided by 8.4 is 125 cubic centimeters. Now use the volume of the plate. L squared times the thickness equals 125. So L squared is 125 divided by 0.2, which is 625. And the square root of 625 is 25 centimeters. So the plate is 25 centimeters long. Well done. That's question 10 complete.